Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 6 latest defense updates. Number 1, 2-man tactical aerial vehicles for high altitude operations. The Innovation for Defense Excellence initiative has launched the Aditi number 1 challenge, seeking proposal for the development of a 2-man tactical aerial vehicle TMTAV. Specifically designed for high altitude operations. This novel aircraft falls under the category of personal aerial vehicles and utilizes electric vertical takeoff and landing, that is eVTOL technology. The 2-man tactical aerial vehicle represents the culmination of advancements in electric vertical takeoff and landing technology, ushering in a new era of human-sized manned vehicles tailored for high-altitude operations. Next, portable track and kill suicide drone. C.J. Varghese, a pioneering innovator from Kerala, India, has once again captured attention with his latest invention, a hand-portable kamikaze drone with an impressive portfolio boasting 6 patents. Varghese recently secured yet another patent from the Patent Office of the Government of India for his groundbreaking creation. Resembling a capsule or a smart grenade in appearance, this innovative device features distinctive foldable and deployable mechanisms, coupled with an indigenous engagement strategy that sets it apart in the realm of drone technologies. Next, Pakistan's upgraded Shahpar 2 CAV tested. Global Industrial and Development Defense Solutions, a Pakistani state-owned defense company, recently impressed military officials from 11 allied nations with a demonstration of their latest unmanned combat aerial vehicle, the Shahpar 2. The Shahpar 2, classified as a medium-altitude long-endurance drone, showcased its targeting capabilities by engaging ground targets with its air-to-ground guided missiles, the Bark, while flying at an altitude of 14,000 feet. Next, BBBS makes waves at India-Nigeria DefExpo. Chennai-based Big Bang Boom Solution Private Limited stole the show at the recent India-Nigeria DefExpo, showcasing India's cutting-edge military technology to the world. Dr. Shiva, a prominent figure at BBBS, unveiled the Vajra Sentinel systems, an impressive anti-drone system that recently secured a game-changing 200 crore contract with the Indian Air Force. Next, INS Jatayu to be equipped with Brahmos Missiles. The Indian Navy has inaugurated INS Jatayu, a significantly upgraded naval base on Minicoy Island in the Lakshadweep archipelago. This expansion is part of a long-term plan to strengthen India's presence in the strategically important islands. INS Jatayu boasts advanced facilities including radars, jetties, and airfield, and will be equipped with Brahmos supersonic cruise missiles. This enhanced capability will significantly improve India's ability to safeguard its territorial integrity and secure of critical shipping lanes in the region. Next, Lieutenant Inayat Vats commissioned into the Indian Army. Panchkula's Lieutenant Inayat Vats scripted a heartwarming chapter in her family's legacy today as she was commissioned into the Indian Army. The ceremony marked a poignant culmination of her journey, one that began with immense loss but blossomed into a resolute dedication to serve the nation. Lieutenant Vats' father, Major Navneet Vats, made the ultimate sacrifice for the country during a counter-insurgency operation. He fell to terrorist bullets while clearing a building in Srinagar, leaving behind a gaping void in Inayat's life, who was then just 2.5-year-old. Major Vats' bravery was posthumously recognized with the Sena Medal. Thank you.